welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host Frank Tank, and today I get the XP pen. It's the Artist15.6 Pro. We're gonna take a look at it and see how well it fits against other tablets. And I'm not gonna do a comparison today. We're gonna open it up, we're gonna test it out and see how well it runs. This tablet itself has 8 buttons, and I want to see that. It has a tilting area. I want to see that too. It has a lot of features that the webcam tablet does not have. The smaller unit, it's a little more expensive, and maybe you want to consider buying one of these instead of going with a more expensive one. Now, this past couple of weeks, the price have jumped up on this. I mean, it used to be under around 300 bucks. Now we're looking at 450 now, plus tax and delivery, close to 500 bucks. I'm sorry. So maybe you want to consider wait a while until the COVID kind of dawns down a little bit, because a lot of companies are taking advantage of this. So we're gonna take a look at it and see what you get when you purchase something like this. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, let's open it up first of all. So on the top, 15.6 inches on the tablet. They give you features in here. 443 by 280 by 12.6 millimeters. Tilt pen technology. Usable both sides. You can switch it left or right. It comes with a stand. 8 buttons customized. So a lot of stuff that I'm reading off the box, but we're gonna see if it's really comes out with all that stuff. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so just off the bat, it's pretty heavy duty, but it's not as heavy as I thought. It actually weighs as a laptop, so it's not that bad. The actual length of it, let's see how long it is compared to with the box. So right now we're looking at 17 and a half inches long by 11 inches. So and they said that it was 15.6 15.5. So we're looking at point to point. We're looking at about there, you know. So 15. It's actually 15, but crossing it by corner, we're looking at close to 17 inches, man. So, but we haven't turned it on. They might be talking about the internal unit itself. So, first of all, inputs. There's a couple inputs on the side. We're gonna put it here. I'm gonna see if I could get it zoomed in. There's a USB Type-C on this side, and then it comes to the up arrow, down arrow, power button. And that's about it. Type-C connection only, it looks like. 8 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 buttons. 8 with the, oh, actually this is not a button. This is pretty much like a mouse, I guess, or something. I'm not quite sure, but we're gonna test it out and see how well it works. Working area, it's pretty big. I like it. I don't even want to open it up. In the back, nothing fancy. It has their logo here, XP pen. I like it. This one, I like it. I could see myself drawing on this one, you know? All this animation and everything. I like this one. I actually like it. So far, I'm impressed. Let's go ahead and take a look at it and continue on. Look at that. They give you a freaking stand, man. Man, you know, I like it. It's on my books right now. And it has rubber ends. And the little kickstand here. Let me see how it kicks. How do you kick this thing out? Ooh, look at that. Look at that. It just clicked out. Stands there. You put it down here. Put the tablet here. Oh, shoot. I'm not going to ask for more because as it is, it's not that pricey, to be honest with you. They give you the stand. That's a plus. That to me is a plus. I like it. Look at the cigar. This is like a freaking cigar. This is where the pen resides. And I gotta look at this because I have a Wacom tablet, a Wacom drawing monitor, and it's nothing like this. I mean, it doesn't come with anything like this. This is freaking awesome. You unscrew it here. Ooh, look at that! They give you all the pen heads in here. Damn, we gotta turn on some more light. They give you the pen heads in here. Oh man, that is freaking. I like it. They give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pen heads. So you're gonna be drawing. You're gonna be drawing. So this is an awesome little feature. And it tells you right here. I shouldn't even say 8 pen heads, 8 nibs. It's called. Now we unscrew the bottom. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at that. It's like It's like a trophy here. Look at that. Holy moly, I like this one. This is pretty cool. I like it a lot. Fits in there. You put the pen back. You're traveling. Pen won't get damaged. It will move. I like it. Like it. They give you a power connection, of course. One power connection. We're gonna trash them. We don't need them. We don't need none of these. They give you all these power connections. Junk. We just need the American one, man. That's what we're gonna use. But just to let you know, it comes with everything that you need. All the different types of connection you're gonna require if you're traveling country. So you want to keep those just in case. The way they work, I guess they snap off somehow. From here, they pretty much this goes in there, and this goes in there. Oh, they're like puzzle pieces. I see. They give you two more things. They give you the cable itself. Oh shoot! They give you a couple cables here. They give you a little cleaner. I like that. They give you a glove so you can draw. Maintenance, guarantee, warranty, graphic connections, and download the application so you can calibrate. Portable pen. You're gonna have to go to their site and download the application. Different kind of connections. They give you the instructions how to connect different types of connections. So there is a couple of things you have to do. You could connect this from USB to USB, but you do need to power it up. Unfortunately, it will not power it up through the Type-C USB, so you do have to intercept. That's where the USB comes in there, and that's where an extended comes out. So, oh man, you know what? I forgot to mention that this comes already laminated. So there is a lamination in here included with it, and it tells you here you can peel it off whenever you're ready to use. I like it. It has an extra protective layer for, yeah, it does. Like for the glass, most of the times they come with these silky, like the Wacom tablet, it doesn't have that. And it kind of slips out the pen. So this is a great thing because it's a little more rough edge. Gives you a better quality for when you're drawing. I like it. Ooh, that was probably the best part. So it tells you right here, instruction, connect to the power adapter. So you plug it in here. Plug that sucker in here. So it tells you the red one is the power. So just remember that part. Important thing, when you install it, it's not going to run off the bat. You need to download the application. So here we are. We're looking for the actual software. And all right, so here we go. We're going to download the application. And the top versions is the Mac version. We don't want that one. We want the lower one. So we're gonna get the latest one that they have in there, and we just go ahead and download it. This is what you get when you download the application. It's asking to install. We're gonna go ahead and install it. It takes a couple of minutes. So we're completed with the driver. Go ahead and install it. So let's see what happens. Let's minimize this thing. As you can see, the driver just came in. Is asking me on my end. In fact, let me see if I could grab it over and put it in there. It's asking me which version do I have of the tablet, and I have the first one. If you guys can see it. The picture is a display. Now it tells you how are you controlling this. Is it through wire? Is it wire mode? Wireless mode? There's a wireless mode? Yeah, I didn't know that. I'm just looking at it like, what? There's a wireless mode? Damn, we gotta take a look at that. We have wire, so we're gonna click wire. Seems like it's really smooth. I'm gonna make a thin line. Let me see if I could do a thin line and then start deepening. That's really smooth. Let me try a couple. Oh, I like the feeling of this. I like it. Let me see if I could make a circle out of it. Not perfect, but it's a circle. That is really good. I like it. How about the shadow? Shadow. To darkness. Darkness. I like that. I like that. I like that a lot. It feels really smooth. It feels like a paper almost, you know. I like this. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna try now we're gonna try a ruler. See how well it works with a ruler. See how straight the lines get. Let's go ahead and do that. We're gonna see it. If you guys can see it, it's right here. I'm gonna put this on. It's a see-through ruler, right? So I'm gonna put it right over it. All right. So here we go with the stand and it's kicking in. Let me just mess around with it. Okay, it's kicking in. So let's do a straight line. Here's the first straight line. The second straight line. Third straight line. Let's get a thicker marker. Let's see it with a marker. So I like that. Let's do another straight line a couple of times. And you know what? I'm gonna trace the middle so you guys can see more of the middle. All right. That is freaking awesome. I mean, the lines are, and I'm using a thick marker so you guys can see it, but I should use the thinner one. You see the smoothness of it. I like it. I like it. Let's go ahead and do something else. Let's see if we could draw something real simple. Real simple. We're gonna see if I could do a better marker or sketch it up. So normally I would draw something a superhero or something like that. So we're gonna do the square first with the superhero. Now the pen is very sensitive. I like it. I like the pen. Just gonna do a really simple character. Find the jawbone. You always have to find the ear section. Ears, intercept it. Face. Simple techniques that you could find. If you ever draw comic books, these are the old-fashioned way. People draw all sorts of different ways. So I like to do big eyebrows for some reason. I just get into the character all the time, and I like to animate them really good sometimes, and they over exaggerate it. And but to each his own, you know. Everybody does whatever they want with the character. And we do a lot of shadow here because it's the nose. I'm not doing a demonstration of anything right now, but I'm trying to just draw something simple and basic, you know. And I like to do like a dark eyes, darkened eyes for now. Yeah, just a basic. And then when you come with the color, you can fix it up later. He looks mad. He looks mad. I like to do cheekbones. I don't know why, but not too straight, kind of narrow, you know, like a superhero supposed to be. Chin bone, you know, like Superman. We could even do Superman here if we want to, you know. So hair expression, simple. Superman, it has a different character. Everybody draws them different, so depends how you are, you know, who you are. And he has a little pompadour here, like the little pompadour that comes down here. Then the ears, make them deform, right? Always make them a little deform, because everybody has different ears. Both of them are not the same. Imperfectionists, the eyes look different, so we're gonna fix the eyes right now. We're gonna fix the eyes. We're gonna do that low profile of the eyes, you know. I'm gonna darken it up so you can see a little bit more. I'm gonna erase a little bit, so there is an eraser. See if I can hold down the button. If I could hold the button down, nope. So we're gonna see if we could do just a little bit. Erasing part is done. Pick the color, black. There we go. Something simple, not bad. I mean, I'm just drawing here. Alright, so we're just gonna do something real quick. You do want to do animation characters, you know. It's up to you how you want to do it. So I like to do sometimes funny cartoons, you know, because it's fun. That's what it is. It's just fun for fun. So, and this is a little character that I'm just messing around with right now. This character has a little, he looks like an onion head in the back. And this is all sketch. It's all sketch right now. You can mess around with it later down the line. You could create your character to have hair, any kind of hair. And that's pretty much it. You can come back and mess around with it, do all sorts of things. I like to draw with this thing. It feels really good, actually. It's really good. Like I freaking like it. Like I really like it. Anyways, if you guys like this stuff, hit me up, man. This stuff is amazing. I like this tablet. I'm gonna mess around with it. I'm gonna continue playing with it. Hopefully I'm gonna create an animation series out of this with this. Gonna have to program the buttons, of course. If you don't have the manual, you don't have to have it. You could go on the site, but before you start with this, you do definitely have to install the application, the software first, or it's not gonna work. So that's about it. I like it. Give it features are great. The pans that they give you. Now the only thing I didn't like about the pen is that the buttons are very close to each other. I might disable them here and there, but I like the eraser button, so I'm gonna keep that. I liked it to give you different heads on the pen. That's a plus. The stand is another plus. For the price, it's better than the Wacom, to be honest with you. I own two Wacoms, and they're expensive. This is 100 times better. It feels a lot of times better. The simplicity of it, it's on the mark. I like it. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any questions or any comments, hit me up. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, out.